Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to create or make landing pages. So once you've logged into your AWeber account, you want to look towards your left-hand side. This is going to be your main menu here. And then you want to click on pages and forms. Now, when you click on this drop down will appear. So there are three options. The first one, which is what we want, which is landing pages. You have sign-up forms also, and the form split tests. Now, by default, you're going to see the landing pages option, as you can see here. And if you want to create a new one, look towards your upper right corner. There's a blue button that says create a landing page. So click on that. And here you're going to have several templates that you might want to use for your landing page, or you can just create your own. So if you want to build from scratch, click on choose. There you go. And it's going to bring us to a blank canvas so you can start creating your landing page from scratch. As you can see here, again, you cannot do this on the free tier. On your free account, you need to be subscribed for Plus Lite or done for you. There we go. Or likewise, you can also just choose any of these landing pages available here and customize it to your liking and be, pretty much on brand for you and your business online. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.